Yung dahilan po ay ano po, source of income, financial for my family.
Okay po. So, nag-abroad kayo, di ba? So, ano yung kailangan ng mga preparation, documents, upang kayo po ay makapunta sa lugar na iyan or makapag-abroad?
First po ay may passport po kayo, certificates, and PSA, NBI, police clearance, and ano ba yun? Mag, mag-seminar po sa ano? Mag-seminar. And then, medical.
Awesome.
That's all.
Yan po. So, kayo po ngayon ay nasa
Walang
abroad
type
pa. Ano po yung dahilan na nananatili pa rin po kayo dyan upang magtrabaho?
Of course po, dahilan po sa kahirapan ng buhay sa Pilipinas. At saka po, mag-provide po yung pangailangan ng mga anak ko po kasi single mother po ako. Kaya hanggang ngayon, nandito pa po ako para mabigyan ko po sila ng magandang kinabukasan.
So, napakadami po palang dahilan upang manatili po kayo dyan. So, salamat po sa pagbigay ng time upang ma-interview ko po kayo ngayon. So, magandang hapon and thank you. That's all. So, good morning to you, ma'am. Thank you for giving me a chance to interview. My name is Jessamay Di Paez from Zamboanga, Zamboanga City. And I'm from Zamboanga Polytechnic State University, first year student from BS Entrepreneurship. So this interview was related and contemporary word that we are advised by our subject teacher Sergio as we are allowed to share culture or do culture exchange. So you can introduce yourself and say what country you are now.
My name is Rula. I'm from Syrian, but I'm working in Qatar. I'm guest relation manager in Al Hayat Medical Center.
So, okay, ma'am. First, I'm gonna share my culture or what we have here in Philippines. So, Filipino commonly have a lot of culture. Example is the way we speak to elders. We use po at the last of our sentence. That's the way we respect and the way we use mano po, using